Os chi'n dod i Llundain fel tourist, mae un lle mae rhaid i chi ymweld, sef fan hyn, Covent Garden! Mae fan hyn yn enwog am bob math o artist byw, boed e'n juggler, yn artist meim, yn gantorion opera, mae popeth di bod yma. Ond am fis o heddi, mae Covent Garden yn mynd i fod yn oriel i hwn. Adeiladon o Covent Garden yn 1552, tybed wnaeth o feddwl, rhyw ddydd, falle fydd 25 person dros 5 noson yn chwythu 100,000 balwn lan ar gyfer gwaith artist o Ffrainc. So you just told me that you were here setting this installation up until 2 a.m. this morning.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Yes, absolutely.
And I also read that it took 25 people 5 days on 5 nights?
Yes, to 20 people, 25 people during 5 days to inflate all the balloons, and after 4 nights to install, to hang the balloon to a structure.
Yeah. Did they get like sore cheeks like this? You know, blow,
It was very difficult.
It's awful, isn't it?
Yes. It's very difficult to blow up every balloon.
Mae pawb yn licio balloons, maen nhw yn bert, maen nhw'n edrych fwy fel cymylau i fi na curiad calon. Fi'n credu bod nhw'n neud y lle ymddangos yn llai, ond o ran celf, yw e'n gelf? So ti jyst i gael cwbl o balloons fynd, fydde wedi edrych rhywbeth tebyg? When I heard that the installation was going to be called Heartbeat, I expected it to be red, or maybe the light inside to be red.
I choose white because I work always with white balloons. I feel white balloons are very pure.
Nath Charles weithio fi ar y sleid bod yn eitha pryderus am roi'r installation ma fan hyn, achos oedd ddim eisiau bod y Ffrancwr nath chwalu Covent Garden. Obviously, children, most of them love balloons. You clearly still love balloons. Why do you love them?
I love the balloons because all children everywhere in the earth, on this earth, know exactly what it is.
Yeah.
It's a universal language. You don't need words to explain or to ask questions with this balloons. So it's easy for children. It's just like fun. It's very playful. I wanted to create a connection between the history of this place and nowadays.
Okay.
It's a kind of bridge. I wanted to refresh the memories of people. To explain how this architecture or this place has changed the landscape of the district.
Somehow as if it's in the heart of London, but it's a fresh heart.
Yes,
yeah?
I suppose so.
Fi'n elgysyniad. So ni'n casglu bob balloon sy'n cael ei golli o'r Steddfod Royal Welsh ac yn mynd â nhw gyd lawr i Stadiwm Millennium. Allen ni gael adeg wrtho fa. A bydde fe lot yn fwy lliwgar, a bydde ddim rhaid fi chwythu nhw lan.